Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about ukushona kwaMahlalendabeni guys. uMahlalendabeni lo bekadlala as first wife kumndeni kaMaseko, i-reality show edlala ku-channel 157. She is no more guys. Kube buhlungu izolo uthathe umphefumulo wakhe on Christmas Day. You know, people are going through a lot guys. Ungabona abantu bami endleleni bahleka. People they are going through a lot, and it is so sad ukuthi umama athathe umphefumulo wakhe. uMahlalendabeni nabantwana abancane. uMahlalendabeni umntana wakhe firstborn wakhe, I think ngibona posted that wenza grade 8. Then laba bayi-2, I don't think kulama boys khona ufunda even grade 2. You see abantwana bamaHlalendabeni bancane kanjani, and I don't think ukuthi ukhona nje umuntu ohappy ungavela decide ukuthatha umphefumulo wakhe. I do not think that. I do know ukuthi umuntu makasuka decide ukuthatha umphefumulo wakhe, she's going through a lot or he's going through a lot. We cannot judge that person. Obvious, I've seen a lot of videos on my social medias work, especially TikTok. There's a long video that she once done there. I show how much love is treating them, how how they're underpaying them, and how sometimes so difficult to get their peace, especially the last season, because since that show, I think in season 8 or somewhere there, I remember myself, it was Isthembu, I think it was 2 girls and 5 guys. Isithombe sakamkhulu Maseko. Njengoba manje sokuqedwe unkosikazi uqala lo besingamazi ukhali, you understand? Dala sidlala lesithembu labantwana bakaMahlalendabeni abayi-2 ubaphega lo umndeni adlala. So uyasho ukuthi at first everything it was okay, bebahola kahle, but recently moja love bebasogulisa ngakhona. I think that is one of the things that makes uthatha umphefumulo wakhe, because she was always making videos. Even last week, I remember she was reacting to one of the videos, the videos the sister wife made. Utabula asho ukuthi no, utabula le video lento ayishoyo ayikho. She even keeping ama-WhatsApp ama-WhatsApp recording, or is it ama-WhatsApp voice note, into amsendela wona, udabula amsendela wona, acomplaina ngomholo, acomplaina nge-treatment. And she was exposing a lot of things. She was also exposing ukuthi kumoja love this whole thing by actor. But I really thought ukuthi into encane yabo, into encane, and bekabonakala guys ukuthi she's not okay, lose a lot of weight. I thought it's the into encane just because not working is not a good thing. Obviously you'll lose weight as a parent if awusebenzi, awuna income, and we are frustrated, ingane zibheke wena. But I didn't really think it will escalate to this thing. I am so sad guys. Ngifuna uqamba umoya wami ubuhlungu. She was young, she was full of life, full of energy, full of drama. You know, that reality show won't be the same ngaphandle kaMahlalendabeni. Yingakho bebamveza nanoma ngabe yena nomkhulu Maseko they are no longer together. They knew ukuthi the reality show really need uMahlalendabeni. Uyakubona kusubuhlungu guys, nje emndenini wakhe ngathi bangaduduzeka. uNkulunkulu abe nabo bahlale bazi ukuthi noma simo kunje uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu. That is all for now bazala bami. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.